Okay, so this is sound check number 2. I've got the mask mount for my R7 replay in the appropriate spot. I have my hanging target about 50 yards. You're going to have to ignore the end result of a long winter and my Christmas tree that's drying out so that I can burn it. Sound check. Oh, you little... Shooting about 280 feet per second. What the hell? At about 50 yards right now. 40 yards. I'm gonna bring it in a little bit. What is happening here? Trying to get a good feel for how it sounds. Trying to get... Oh, why is there glass in my backyard? That's good. I have a yellow lab. I'm sure he's not eating that on his free time. Move in. And that's what I wanted to hear. I want to hear how the rotor sounds with the stuff off. I want to hear how my voice sounds with the windshield off. And I want to hear how the gun generally sounds with the voice off. Or with the doo-doo-doo. And that's my son. And it's about to be his turn. So I'm going to turn this off.